Now at 11, a sobering message from local health officials.
So sadly, eventually, everyone in this room probably, or at least half of us in this room, will get the infection.
Why they say nearly half of Allegheny County will get the coronavirus and why it's not a reason to panic.
In Washington County, as stores close, leaders want to know why they are being left in the dark.
We don't know anything.
As the way of life changes from schools to fish fries to your favorite beaches.
Plus, a Decision 2020 statement, the big night for Joe Biden and what it means moving forward.
And good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm David Johnson.
And I'm Lisa Sylvester. As we continue to cover the coronavirus pandemic, you'll once again notice that David and I are not sitting next to each other because we are following the CDC's recommendation to stay at least 6 feet apart.
In the meantime, Lisa, startling information tonight from a top Allegheny County health official. But that doctor said we must remember the vast majority of people who do get sick will recover. Here are today's other big developments. There are 10 confirmed cases in our area, plus another 3 presumptive positives. And tonight, some local counties are expressing frustration with the state health department. The Pittsburgh Public School District is deep cleaning 2 schools after a student's relative presumptively tested positive, and RMU is alerting people who may have been exposed a week ago at a basketball game.
We have Team 11 coverage of the coronavirus for you tonight. Channel 11's Michelle Newell has been talking to one official in Washington County, but first we want to get to Channel 11's Amy Hudak with that big message from the Allegheny County Health Department tonight. Amy?
Allegheny County health officials say, while those statistics might seem scary, there is no need to panic. They say the vast majority of people who get COVID-19 are going to be just fine. Top doctors in Pittsburgh talked to us over the phone to protect themselves, us, and those most at risk. Prepared, not panicked, was the message top medical professionals delivered to communities around Western Pennsylvania Tuesday night. Listen to Dr. Deborah Bogan.
And the whole point of what we're doing is to decrease the rate at which we spread that virus. Eventually, probably somewhere between 40 and 60% of our community will acquire this virus over the next couple of months.
That's roughly 500,000 people in Allegheny County. The health department says that statistic isn't meant to scare. Doctors say the majority of people who get COVID-19 will have mild symptoms. Their immune systems will kick in and they'll bounce right back. While social distancing and staying at home may seem like a burden, it's protecting the elderly and people with underlying conditions.
If you're sick, stay home. If you need groceries, ask them to be sent in. Pharmacies do deliveries all the time to people's homes.
Since there's no coronavirus vaccine yet, doctors say prevention is the best thing we can do to stop the spread, not just for ourselves, but for the health of everyone in our lives.
The point when we talk about flattening the curve is we are trying to spread out the rate at which people in our community acquire the infection.
The Allegheny County Health Department says in the past few weeks, they've only tested a small number of people, a number somewhere in the teens, possibly 20s. But they say as the tests increase in number and are more available to us and more labs are testing commercially, those numbers will likely rise pretty dramatically. Live at the Allegheny County Health Department, Amy Hudak, Channel 11 News.